Miss Susie. No, her name is Nancy. Her name is Nancy. Nancy Ninja. Ninja Nancy. Hey you guys, it's your girl Djena. Welcome back to another video. You know what it is. I want to apologize for the quality of this video today because my lighting is not what it should be. However, my face is not what it should be. However, it's not about my face today. It's not about the lighting today. Today, ladies and gentlemen, it's about... Okay, take it in, baby. Take it in. Take it in. You ready to unbox this with me? Come on, let's do this. Y'all know. Okay, I am the fanciest cheap person you know in your life. I will be cheap for the rest of my life, but you know, I make things work. Okay, hello. So I went and got myself an air fryer. Don't judge me, because only God can judge me. Okay, and we are going to unbox this air fryer. Vanessa's already over there preparing some chicken wings because we're finna air fry today. Okay, stop. Behave yourself. Okay, stop being so excited. It's not that deep. It's just an air fryer. Stop acting like you're broke. We've been unboxed. And I just want to say that yesterday was my birthday, so I deserve this. Okay, thanks. You know, you guys, I was over here wondering whether I should open it or should return it because, you know, I am a responsible adult and I have no business engaging in situations that might potentially leave me out in a hole. And just as I was considering taking this back to the store, my good friend Vassy Boo Bus, you want to show the people your face? No? Hey, girl. She said, girl, live your life because when Jesus come back, you might have never gotten your air fryer. So if Jesus come back tomorrow, at least we done air fry them chicken wings today. Okay, can I get an amen? Amen. It is the excitement for me. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's too late, ladies and gentlemen. There is no going back now. So I'm gonna need y'all to watch my videos, subscribe to my channel. Priscilla, I said subscribe to my channel, and share this with everybody you know because I'm gonna need them coins to start coming in eventually. Somebody gotta pay for this air fryer. I mean, it is the beauty of it all. Let me turn her around so y'all can see what it is that I'm doing here, okay? Oh, let me just show you. If you need to live through me, sis. Because I ain't mad at you. Oh. You got some instructions there. Okay. Oh, Lord, won't you do it? Won't you do it, my God? Okay. Oh, rich people things is always so fancy. Come on. Always so fancy. What's this? What they saying? Oh, okay. We got a lot to read up on. Who gonna read this? Y'all gonna read this? Cause y'all know for sure I'm not gonna read this. But okay. Anywho's, we got our plug here. We got our protection here. Oh, it comes protected, baby. How am I gonna pick this bad boy up? Okay, all right, everything's fine. Y'all meet Nancy the Ninja. Okay?
It's gonna be a whole video about this.
We already there, baby. We already there.
I just wanna season my chicken. The kids are excited.
That is the sound of wealth. Well.
Just can't use the oven anymore.
Come on now. I'm feeling ground, boo-boo. She's feeling ground. You guys. Come on now. Click that switch on because we're in England. Okay. Hello. Her name is Nancy. She was an air fryer. All right, you guys. We're going to put Nancy to test. I'm going to wash everything before I use it because of my sister's recommendations. Okay. Look at that, y'all. 2 times now, y'all. Okay, y'all, so according to my handy dandy quick start guide, okay? Because y'all know for sure I'm not going to read this. If you go to the air frying cooking chart and you go to frozen foods, I'm going to air fry some calamari. Now, they don't have calamari here. According to Scampi and Breadcrumbs, You're gonna put it for 180 degrees Celsius, thank you, for 12 minutes. So let's do that. I wanna give a shout out to Aldi because Aldi comes through every single darn time until they started increasing their prices, but okay, everything's fine. If you're interested, if you like calamari, check out Aldi. Aldi, I'm this serious though. If you wanna sponsor me, everything's fine. First of all, come on, Nancy. Come on now, girl. Nancy gonna work hard for the money. A lot for it, honey. Oh, and one thing that the guide said, make sure you use tongues that are like, what is this called?
Silicone.
Silicone coated. Coated? Covered. Because I have these as well, but you wouldn't want to use these so that you don't scratch what needs to be scratched in there. Because I don't know what that's called. What is it called? If y'all could only see how Vanessa's looking at me right now. The pressure is getting worse. Yeah, I don't even think we need to put a drizzle of anything, you know?
No.
Because...
You don't need it.
Yeah, you don't need to put anything. Okay, come on. Here we go. Come on, Nancy. Come on, girl. All right, so now we got to set the time. Oh, I'm going to move her this way because she has like ventilation thingies in the back and I don't want it to be too close to the wall so she could ventilate, okay? Now we're going to put the temperature. They said 180. First, we're going to air fry. No, come on, Nancy, don't do this. We're going to air... Okay. Oh. What's happening? That's not what we're supposed to be doing. That's not what we're supposed to be doing. Ah, okay. Temperature, we want it at 180. And we want it for 12 minutes, is that? 12 minutes. Okay. Come on now. Do you hear the sizzle? That's not everyday sizzle, yeah. That's not a Sony sizzle, okay? Okay, that's not an Amazon sizzle. That's a Ninja sizzle. Okay, they said that halfway through, you're supposed to take it, turn back, flip it, and reverse it, okay? Vanessa said I'm doing too much. I'm excited, okay? Let it go.
And my belly was just...
Woo!
Oh,
come on now.
MJ.
Come on now. Come on now.
Lord of mercy.
Okay.
Here you go, baby
See how
girl.
this meat look. Oh, it is
Baby
fully
girl.
cooked on the inside. And it looks moist. Ooh.
Wet. Let me taste it. I need to taste it. Mom, that's the place in America. Mom, that's a place in America called tahinis, and they do shawarmas. They do the Jamaican jerk. Mom, they do the Jamaican jerk shawarma. The butter chicken shawarma. Shawarma. And the chicken shawarma. And chicken shawarma. And the...
Okay, Bongo just is out with just so I can finish this video.
Chicken.
You guys. I feel like this is the best investment I've ever made. Don't tell Bertha the Dyson. Don't tell Bertha because she's sensitive. Okay. Food done quickly. I've been able to do other things. Well, I wasn't the one that cooked. Vanessa cooked. But Vanessa, how do you feel about this?
Amazing. I love it.
Yeah, you see. Y'all heard that firsthand. Thank you for unboxing Nancy, the ninja, with me. She's... I am in love. Hello. She is glorious. I'm so in love with her. If y'all know just like juicy recipes, please include them down below. This is a very exciting day for me. And I look forward to videos of me cooking for you. I make a mean cereal. And, you know, I'm going to try to make cereal in my air fryer. Hello. Everything's fine. Thank you so much for watching. It's your girl, Djena, signing out. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll catch you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello. Because why wouldn't you? Honestly, why wouldn't you?
Yeah, why wouldn't you?
Oh, okay. And we'll be unboxing. Well, I don't think we're going to be unboxing anything else because after the Dyson and this air fryer, I reach capacity. So thank you for being here. Catch you in the next one. You got a problem before you walk.